delicious.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Is It Done Yet? We're in Shelley's kitchen today instead of mine.
And we'll be making a delicious chicken stew, so let's dive in.
So we'll get the chicken chopped up first. Get that fried off. And I've used 2 chicken breasts. You can use thigh if you want as well. There you go.
So next we're going to slice 3 carrots. Try not to throw them all over the kitchen. There we go.
Right, next 1 onion. Chop that up.
Your eyes water.
Yep. Oh, this one's not too bad. There you go, 1 onion.
So now we're just going to chop the potatoes. I usually chop these into 4 pieces. We'll leave the skins on.
Almost done.
I'll just be chopped in half.
Right, we're going to add our oil to the pan. About a couple of tablespoons. And then we're going to add our chicken. Right, some salt and pepper. And pepper. And then we're going to add some garlic powder, just a little touch in each of each. Paprika, onion powder and garlic. Right, you'll put a touch of oregano in, not too much.
I love oregano with chicken.
Yeah, gorgeous. Right, let that cook through. You don't want it totally cooked through because it's going to be cooking for 20 minutes with the vegetables. Right, so that's okay for the chicken. Take that out.
How long does that took you approximately?
About 6-7 minutes, not long. Obviously you don't want it cooking right through. It's going to be stewing for a while. So take that out and then we're going to add our vegetables.
So we'll add a touch more oil to the pan, ready for the onions. Let that heat for a second. Now we add the onions. Let these fry off for a few minutes. Okay, so the onions have had a few minutes now, so we'll add the carrots. Let them soften for a minute. Okay, so then carrots have been softening for a few moments now. We're going to add a tiny splash of stock before we add the chicken back, just to scrape all that goodness from the bottom of the pan. Just a touch, just to get that, all that flavour from the bottom of the pan, because that's all flavour. There we go. Now I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables and the chicken back in. And the potatoes. I'm going to let that sizzle through now with the rest of the stock. I'm going to leave that for about approximately 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat. If you want to, you can put a lid on it and put it in the oven as well, or you can do it on the top. Right, so that's all nice and tender now, that's cooked. Carrots, yeah. So now we can thicken it. Right, so now we're going to put in a heaped tablespoon of flour, plain flour, and then we're going to add a touch of oil. The reason I add the oil is because you don't get lumps like you do with water. You don't need a lot, just a tiny touch of oil. That type of consistency. Okay. Now we're going to add that. And let that bubble through for a few minutes. And that's your stew. Okay, so the chicken stew's all ready, and me and Jackie are going to enjoy this for lunch. So time to serve it up. Oh, that looks delicious. Here we go. Right, Shelley, moment to show. That's nice. That is delicious. That is nice. You really need to try it. Absolutely beautiful. And that would be perfect with crusty bread. Yeah, absolutely lovely. So hope you enjoyed that, everyone, and thanks for watching another episode of Is It Done Yet? And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to Is It Done Yet? And today we're in Shelley's kitchen instead of mine.
And today we'll be making a delicious chicken stew. Let's do.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Is It Done Yet? Today we're in Shelley's kitchen instead of mine, and we're going to be making a beautiful chicken stew. That's it. So we hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching another episode of Is It Done Yet?
And if you did enjoy that episode, don't... Bye.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. No.